If you're someone who's been into riding for quite some time, there's a very big chance that you've already seen the very famous video of on what happens if you guys lose your gear and how tragic it can be. So today I just wanted to share with you guys something that I have dreamt for a long time, being able to buy some safety equipment or safety gear, motorcycle riding accessories. And now that dream has finally come true by the grace of God. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the best budget accessories and riding gear that I would highly recommend to all of you. Welcome to another episode of Project Gentleman. We're here. We love to talk about the things that help us win in life, and I hope you find this video helpful. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go.
So as we begin, I wanted to make it clear first that this will be a combination of some of the best safety equipment or gear. Of course, quality comes with a price, and like I said, I did my best to give you some of the best quality, affordable accessories. And then I'll also share with you some of the things or gear, accessories, equipment that might also be helpful for some of you who are, I know that a lot of you wanted to go on adventures as well. So I hope that some of these minor equipments can also add to the quality of life of your riding experience. And also guys, before I forget, some of these items are focused or heavily driven for the Philippine or the Asian market. So if ever, it will be tagged below on my YouTube video. But just in case these items won't be available in your country or region, at least you have some of the ideas, especially if you're a new rider, and what are the most essential gear that you might want to consider having a priority. So let's begin from head to toe. In terms of riding, your head is the most important body part. So it's important that you invest on a good helmet. So what I have right here, guys, is the Spider Neo Icon. Okay, so many of you guys have been asking about this helmet. Indeed, it looks really beautiful. It's one of the, if not the most beautiful white modular helmet out there. And when it comes to safety, I recommend that if you can go for an LS2, that's the brand that I prefer. There are a lot of great helmets out there, especially with price, but those are my preferences. I've got a couple of LS2 helmets, but this one has been my favorite recently because of the sporty form factor. And of course, when it comes to safety, it's not just looks, but it is ECE and DOT approved. So thankfully, I've been very happy with this helmet so far and highly recommended. It has a dual visor, as you can see right here. Okay, very quick access, dual visor, and then modular. All right, then very good feel here on the interior or the foam. So that's the Spider Neo Icon that I've been using. And then when it comes to the intercom, it's very important that you get to enjoy talking with your back ride or your other co-riders. So what I have is the IJAS V6 Pro, and it has been very good battery life, and of course, like I said, it's very affordable. So next, right after the head, guys, of course, our body, very important as well. So what I have right here, I bought right here a riding jacket. It's the one from Duhan. So brand is called Duhan. This is one of the most affordable out there on the market. And then as you can see, it looks really beautiful and it's very fresh. I just bought this one and compiled them for you. This is double XL size. So this one is really good because the quality is mesh type. Okay, air just flows very well inside your body, and you have paddings. Okay, all right, and then at the back as well, shoulder, your elbow has paddings. It looks great and it keeps you safe as well. Very light actually, and very comfortable. And then still on the topic of jackets, I also would love to recommend with you guys, I have another riding jacket that one of you also asked about. I just also bought that online. I always put the links down below. That was also a great riding jacket, also padded, also looks great in black and mesh type as well. So that's also a great choice for you. And then another jacket that I also want to recommend is I have also bought a leather jacket that is really great for driving at night. It also has pockets, so you can always enjoy having your essentials, phone, wallets, coins, so that even when you're riding, you can always enjoy your essentials. And on top of that, you look really cool. Those are the jackets that I would love to use, especially with long rides. But if I'm just gonna be going around the city, a very quick run or a very quick errand, I would love to recommend to you this type of jackets where they are just thin and they have a cover here for the hands as well as covering here for your hood, and you have even a type of like a cap for your head, and then it covers your face as well. That's really a great jacket recommendation, especially here in the Philippines, tropical countries, a very great jacket to have. Now next, aside from your body, your jackets, safety jackets, riding jackets, I also want to recommend, of course, not just the upper body, but the lower body as well. You need to keep it protected, especially for long rides. So I have right here, guys, I also bought riding pants. So what I love about this is that, first of all, you will still look really cool, and at the same time, it's from a trusted brand, okay? And you have paddings as well for your waist, right here for your butt, and as well as your knees, okay? So this is very important to secure as well once you get into riding, and especially if you start to earn and make money and you can have a little bit of budget, this is gonna be very great for you. So now we're done with the upper body and the lower body, the head. Now it's time to go to our feet, and after that our hands. So to also protect our feet, guys, we need a riding shoes. So what I have right here is the one again from the brand Duhan. So this was not sponsored by them, so decided to buy from my own money, and together this is actually gonna be my first time to unbox this with all of you guys. So as you can see, okay, so it's just really, first it looks good, okay, as you can see. And then I'm really happy with this. It's very solid, okay, as you can see. Right, and then here as well on the sides. Right, so this has been one of the pricier, or one of the priciest items from this list, but I really do think that it's gonna be very worth it. And then it's very easy to wear because you just have to use this zipper right here. So when it comes to a daily riding shoes, this is the one that I use. And still on the topic of riding shoes, guys, what I also have right here is I also bought this black riding shoes. It has a metal on it as well. So this one is a little bit like a combat boots, also zipper type. So as you can see, you can just easily wear and remove this. Then at the same time, adds protection and as well as height. Especially for big bikes, this will be very useful. So now after protecting our feet, I would love to, of course, suggest as well protecting our hands. So one of you guys was also asking for a gloves reveal. So today is your day. I really want to recommend that you guys have two types of gloves. One is full gloves and then the other one is half. So let's start with the one that you might have seen in my thumbnails or some of my videos. So this right here is my half hand, or should we call that half gloves, okay, from the brand Moto Wolf, okay, that's their brand right there. I love that it has leather material and it's very great in the hands, especially for quick city rides. I also got another one, it's also very new, as you can see. It's first time unboxing or unwrapping it. Full hand gloves from Moto Wolf. So this has been really awesome as well, because I chose this because of the leather material and you have knuckle protection. And then here as well for your fingertips. And one of the most important factors in buying a gloves, especially a full one, is being able to still touch your screen and hover around or navigate your phones. So that's the capability of this gloves right here. And then still with full hand gloves, guys, I think this is the one that you're asking about from the previous video that I used. I like to recommend as well a full hand gloves, which is, it comes with fabric. So by this, it's very relaxing to the hand, especially for sunny days. The heat is really unbearable. This one will really feel good to the hands. And what I like about this is that it's touch enabled for your screens, for your phone. I guess that's why you also like this one, because I was able to maneuver or control or navigate over my phone while riding. So now that we're able to get protected from head to toe, now it's time for some of the very useful accessories. So let me start with the bag. So the first one that I have right here is from a brand called Usagi, and I specifically purchased this, guys, because of the capability to store many items such as your phones, your wallets, and at the same time you'll be able to put your phone here and record if you want. So it also comes with a free sticker and a free keychain. And then another waist bag or chest bag, if you want that, is right here. This is waterproof. That's why I chose to buy this. Okay, it has many pockets and it's very secure, okay, for your essentials. And this a little bit smaller, more handy compared to the other one. Just in case rain starts to pour down, this is gonna be giving me peace of mind. So here in the Philippines, we have two major weather conditions. It's either gonna be rainy or it's gonna be very sunny. So let's start first with some of my daily essentials for whenever I'm out riding for sunny days. And this one right here is from the brand called Solo Ever. This right here is like an armband or a sleeve, okay? Waterproof, and it also protects you from the sun. UPF 50 plus sun protection. And what I love about these, guys, is that I can wear this just in case I just want to wear a polo or a polo shirt. If ever I'm gonna be going somewhere casual, I can definitely use this and not having to wear a jacket. And that's the reason why I bought 3 colors right here. So I have here first the black, and I also bought white, okay, just in case I'm wearing a white polo shirt or polo. And lastly, I also have right here color gray, okay? So different color options just to mix and match how I look when I ride. So very minor but also very useful. And then still from the brand Solo Ever, I also decided to buy a balaclava. When I was riding before, I never really thought of wearing something like this, but because of the very great texture or quality right here, and of course to protect from sweat as well, to maintain our helmets. And then just in case you really are the type who really wants to wear balaclavas, it's also great for half-face helmets. So this one right here, if you don't like the silk type or the other texture material that was used a while ago, you also have right here fabric. Now also let's talk about rain, because that's also one of our greatest enemies as riders. So what I bought right here for my raincoat, you know about babies, it's like a onesie type. So what I love about this is that it's very quick to wear because it's just a one-time process. Then also has a lot of buttons and a zipper. That's the raincoat that I've been using so far. And so far I've been satisfied with this. So let's just say you're ready to go, you're fully equipped, and you have an extra full face helmet. I would like to suggest you guys this kind of like a net or a tie right here for your full face helmet. You can definitely use this for your top box or your pillion seats at the back. And then of course, don't go without your documents, your papers. So I highly recommend this one right here. Very nice holder for your documents. So now this is the section where we talk about some of the most highly recommended, my highly recommended gear, accessories, equipment for your capturing of your memories or adventures or even for content creation. So first is this one. This is like a mount, camera mount for your helmet. You just actually use this ties right here. You have tie just in case you don't want to completely stick the camera mounts and you want to like low commitment camera mount in case you still want to preserve the beauty of your helmets. And then next is this neck type phone holder, or it can also be used as a camera mount. You can definitely stick your phone right here or your cameras, action cameras, and still have that great POV. And then for iPhone users, or I mean even if you're Android user, you have a magnet type case. I highly recommend this one. And then for camera mounts for your motorcycle, what I have right here is the one from Moto Wolf as well. It is very applicable even if you don't have a naked handlebar. It's gonna be great because you're just gonna be installing it with your side mirror. So with that as well, you have the quick release or like the adapter for your action cameras. It's a must-have. It definitely saves you time. And as well as phone holders, guys, it's very important that you get the right phone holder. Why? Because having the wrong one might actually destroy your camera. So especially if you're using an iPhone, it would be heartbreaking to ruin the camera, the stability. Very important for you to buy a phone holder that has anti-vibration, the one that has rubber shocks in it. It would really definitely help your phone to have that longevity. And of course, when you're outdoors, guys, highly recommend sporty outdoor sunglasses. Okay, perfect for half-face helmets. There are times that I just want to wear half-face helmets, so that's really perfect. So we also have this one right here, guys. As you can see, it's in color white. So as you can see, it's clear, but then when there's it detects sunlight, it becomes dark, or what we know as photochromatic lenses. So this is also great. I have this because my helmet has this silver visor, so I wear this at night. So in order to keep the cool look of a helmet like this one, I just suffer and just use this one and minimize the suffering. So I guess that would be all for this video, guys. Again, if you want to buy any of these items, click the product links down below. Also follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, so that we get to be connected at all times. So please consider to give this video a thumbs up. Appreciate every single one of you. Comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that if you seek God first, all of the things that you need will be added unto you. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace!